So we are sitting in one of the houses in Navadvip where they have a spinning machine which we call in the Indian language known as charka. The one and only which was promoted by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of the nation. And this lady I am talking to, she says she is involved with this spinning machine and making thread for the last 35 years. And we can understand from her skills that she is pretty good at it. সারাদিনে কত সুতো হয় মোটামুটি? So she makes almost 15 to 20 bundles of this thread per day, working for approximately 12 hours of time. And then she also says she has to balance her family life, her children along with this kind of thread, because this is the thread which she is involved with, which gives her bread and butter.
Wow.
This kind of art and this kind of faith is slowly diminishing from the history of India amidst the modernization and the globalization of the multinational companies. এখান থেকে সব জায়গা এই কাজ এই কাজ তোমার নাম কি?
আমার নাম সবিতা মন্ডল। আমি তো ওই কাজও করি।
ওই কাজও করো?
ওই যে তাঁতের কাজে জানি, ওগুলো এখন আর পারি না, কিছু হয়ে গেছে।
So she says she knows all kind of handloom work, whatever we saw in the machine, but just because of her age she cannot do that, so she is involved with the simple spinning machine. 35 years of experience for creating those beautiful sarees from the heart of Bengal.